Hi, my name is Florence Bowen. I am the Osteopathic Manual Practitioner here at Proactive Pelvic Health Center. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what osteopathy is. So osteopathy is a natural hands-on approach to health. It's based on extensive anatomy, physiology, and pathology. Osteopathic manual practitioners view the body as one integrated system. So we see the body comprised of mind, body, and spirit, and we work towards balancing those aspects of the self throughout treatment. The treatment itself is all hands-on, and we assess the bone, muscle, soft tissue, organs, viscera, as well as the craniosacral system to restore balance in the body. People typically seek out osteopathic manual practitioners for any type of pain throughout the body, so neck pain, low back pain, especially chronic aches and pains, but it also is beneficial for digestive issues, disturbances with sleep, reproductivity and fertility issues, as well as anxiety, headaches, chronic pain of any sort.